In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find tag in Freshsales CRM. When you work in Freshsales CRM, tags help you organize records and quickly group similar items. Knowing where to find your tags in the settings is useful if you want to review what already exists, confirm spelling, or simply understand how your team is labeling information. In this walkthrough, you will go straight to the area where Freshsales lists every tag available in your account. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Freshsales. You are going to navigate to Admin Settings. This is the option marked with a gear icon, and it is typically located toward the lower part of the sidebar. Select that gear icon to open the admin area. If you do not see it, you may not have the required permissions, so you may need an admin user to grant access. But assuming you can open it, you will now be in the section where account level configuration lives. Next, within Admin Settings, go to Account Settings. This area contains settings that apply across your Freshsales account, rather than to a single contact or deal. Once you are in Account Settings, look for the option labeled Tags and select it. This takes you to the dedicated Tags page, where Freshsales manages the tags used throughout the system. On the Tags page, you can see all tags. Take a moment to scan the list carefully. This is the complete view of what is currently available, so it is a good place to verify that a tag exists before you try to apply it elsewhere in the CRM. It also helps you keep naming consistent, especially if you notice similar tags with slightly different wording. If you are reviewing tags for housekeeping, go slowly and pay attention to capitalization and spacing, since small differences can make tags look duplicated. Keeping tags consistent can make filtering and reporting easier later on. Once you have reached this tags list, you have successfully found where all tags are stored in Freshsales CRM. That covers everything you need to know.